Okay, students, let's start with question number 13. See the question. A hotel in Greenland is made entirely of ice. The outside temperature is minus 35 degree centigrade and the inside temperature of a room is minus 10 degree. What is the difference between the inside and outside temperature? Okay, now what is outside temperature? Outside temperature is minus 35 degree and inside temperature is minus 10 degree. You have to find out the difference between inside and outside. So as you have to find out the difference between inside and outside, so inside temperature you have to write it first, and for the difference means subtraction minus. So this is the inside temperature minus 10 degree, then minus, because it is you have to find out difference, that means you have to do subtraction. Then this is the outside temperature minus 35 degree. Clear or not? Now solve it. Minus 10 degree minus what? Minus it is plus 35 degree centigrade. Clear? Now plus minus 35 minus 10 is 25 degree centigrade, and 35 is greater, that's why it is positive, that's why 25 is positive. Clear or not? Understood? Next question number 14. The daytime temperature on moon can reach plus 130 degree Celsius. Daytime temperature. At night the temperature can drop, means it drops to minus 110 degree Celsius. How high is the maximum temperature than the minimum temperature? This is the maximum temperature 130 degree Celsius and this is the minimum temperature. So you have to find out the difference between these two, then you will get the required answer. How high is the maximum temperature than the minimum temperature? Yes or no? So same way, in daytime temperature 130 degrees Celsius, at night temperature drops minus 10 degrees Celsius. So what will be the required temperature, means how high is the maximum temperature? 130 degree. Difference you have to find out. So minus, and this is the minimum temperature minus 110 degrees Celsius. Clear? Same way you solve it now. 130 degree minus plus 110 degree. So both are positive. It will be 0, 4, 2. That means 240 degree Celsius. This is the difference. That means the maximum temperature is 240 degrees Celsius more than the minimum temperature. Clear or not? Have you understood, everyone? Next question number 15. Subtract the sum of, sum means total. Sum means total, SUM, sum. Here two questions are there. This type of question you have to read the question thoroughly. Subtract the sum of minus 340 and 170 from minus 45. That means first you have to find out the sum of these two. Then the result you will subtract from minus 45. Have you understood the question? So first you find out the sum of these two, minus 340 plus 170. Though you will find out the sum, but due to the sign you have to do plus minus. That means 340 minus 170 you have to do. I am doing orally. If you can, you will use working column. So 14 minus 7 is 7, 1 plus 1 2, 3 minus 2 is what? 170. And 340 is negative, that's why it will be minus sign. Clear? Now what you have to do? Subtract the sum of these and these from these. Now this required answer, this answer you have to subtract from minus 45. So again you arrange the statement. Therefore the required answer, first you will write minus 45, because from minus 45 you have to subtract minus 170. So minus 45 you have to subtract, that's why minus sign. Now which number you have to subtract? Minus 170. Total minus 170 you have to subtract. This thing should be very much clear to you students. When you will, means which number you are going to subtract, along with the sign you have to write, and this sign for subtraction. Clear? Now you open the bracket, minus minus plus 170. Now it is plus minus minus. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. So 14 minus 8 will be what? 6. Sorry, I have made also wrong, students. Do over here. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 minus 5, 2, 1. 125. See, I can also make mistake. Yes or no? Because I am a human being. I can also make mistake. I was trying to do orally, but I have noticed that suddenly I have made the mistake. So I have used the working column. So you also don't try to do orally. Clear or not? Same way, next question is given. You have to subtract the sum of these and these from the difference of these and these. First try to understand the question. Subtract the sum of. That means first you have to find out the sum of these two. That answer you have to subtract from the difference of these two. So here three parts will be there. First you find out the sum of these two. 865 plus minus 493. So it will be what? 865 plus minus minus 493. Clear? So do it. 5 minus 3, 2. 16 minus 9, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Clear? To check the subtraction, do you know how to check? These two you do addition. If it will be there, that means your subtraction is correct. 2 plus 3, 5. 9 plus 7, 16, 6. Carrying 1. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. Clear? So it is 372. Next part is you have to find out the difference of minus 380 and 675. So difference means minus 380 minus 675. So as both are negative for subtraction, so you have to do add, minus minus plus. Now do addition. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 7, 15, 5. Carrying 1. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Sign will be what? Minus, because it is the negative integer and negative sign. So here also answer will be with negative. Clear? So now after getting these two results, your final step is what? Subtract the sum of these and these from this. That means now from this number you have to subtract the sum of these two numbers. So therefore the required answer will be what? First you will write this one. Clear? Then subtract minus sign this number 372. So you have to understand the question, student. Now minus minus plus, that means these two you have to do add. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12, 2 carrying 1. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4. 1. 1427. Clear? And sign will be minus. So in this way you have to solve this type of sums. You have to read the question thoroughly. Very careful, means repeatedly you read the question, then try to understand the question and accordingly you solve the answer. Clear? So in the next video I am showing you the MCQs and HOTS. Clear students? Complete your work.